Page 3.
Okay, I'm loading YouTube right now. It's taking a sweet time to load. As soon as it loads, I'll start the process. Okay, well now live on YouTube, you can all become opera singers. Okay, let's see. And Vidales is on what page on my docket, please?
On page 3.
Okay.
Judge, can I speak with Attorney Priest for a minute?
Yes.
Oh, you still there? Your camera went.
Attorney Priest, are you
Yes, I'm here.
there? Did you receive the paperwork?
I did. I'm just waiting for an offer.
Oh, okay, you need to speak with the ADA?
Yes, I've spoke to them. I'm just waiting for an offer.
Okay.
I'm working on it.
I'm gonna
Okay.
move your client off from monitor 3 because we have an attorney waiting.
Okay.
Will you let me know when you're ready?
I will.
Thank you.
Okay, so are we ready to do Mr. Vidales now? Debbie?
Yes, Judge, I'm sorry. Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Vidales, can you raise your right hand? You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help you God.
Yes, so help me God.
Thank you, sir. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yes, I do.
Is your name Arturo Vidales?
Yes,
Are you the same Arturo Vidales with this cause number 2026 CC 010981, who is charged with the offense of assault causing bodily injury? Is that you?
yes,
This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
yes,
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed, that your lawyer signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
yes, that is correct.
I'm now looking at a document that's entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes,
Did your attorney explain it to you?
yes,
And do you understand it?
yes,
Hold on, let me sign this document. 1 minute. Are you a citizen of the United States?
yes, I am.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, Judge, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, I understand.
So then, to the offense of assault causing bodily injury, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, 1 minute, please. You understand that on a plea of no contest, that the court can still find you guilty anyway.
Yes,
Has anybody forced you to this plea?
no,
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, apart from that, has someone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
no,
Are you doing this of your own free will?
yes,
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor, it is for a $0 fine plus court costs, 39 days Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently. He has more than 39 days.
I'm going to judgment satisfy this case. Do you agree to this plea bargain, Mr. O'Donnell?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Vidales?
yes,
And Mr. Vidales, the court having heard you plead no contest on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I followed the plea bargain. I sentenced you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 39 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served, time and money to concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr. O'Donnell?
I believe it is the only case, Your Honor.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today, okay? Tell the deputies that we're finished with your case. And Mr. O'Donnell, do you have another case with me? Or
Yes,
I don't believe so.
you can be excused if you have nothing else. Thank you, Mr. O'Donnell.
Thank you.
Judge, Attorney Acosta would like to speak with Ms. Trish.
Okay,
Can I put him in a breakout room?
please.
Ended. That's it. There was only 2 signatures.
And Judge
Is that it?
Attorney Ayala is here on
Okay, what you want me to do next?
page 3, Paul Reyna.
I got 9 pages.
Attorney
okay.
Priest is also the attorney on that
No, I
case.
take probation.
Mr. Reyna, Mr. Priest,
Yes.
sorry. Mr. Ayala, and Mr. Priest, Mr. Paul Reyna refused to come out of his cell.
Yes, Your Honor. And I did receive that email this morning. If at all possible, I would ask that these cases be moved back to the original court.
Yeah, go send them back.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you.
May
Then
I
you
be
can be
excused?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Mr.
Thank you.
Priest, same thing for you.
Yes,
You can be
Judge.
excused as well.
I have another
Attorney
case,
Priest.
Judge.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it.
Judge, this is Solis on page 3 at the bottom. Both of those clients are ready.
Okay, let me see. Page 3 at the
Yeah.
bottom. Jesus Solis. Okay. Who's the attorney on that?
Attorney Castillo.
Okay, Mr. Castillo. Okay, hold on. I typed on my docket sheet. Okay, so I got Mr. Solis. Let me pull up his paperwork. Mr. Solis, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. Solis,
Yes, sir.
let me do this again. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir, I do.
Is your name Jesus Solis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Jesus Solis when this cause number 2026 CC 011651, who was charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated is the first offense? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This case is a class. In this case, it's possible you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 70 charges in jail up to maximum 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plead by Video that you have signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it, your attorney has signed it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document. 1 minute. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it, your lawyer signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
So then, to the offense of driving while intoxicated, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
1 minute, please.
Your
You
Honor,
understand?
Your Honor,
Yes?
it's supposed to be reduced. I don't know if we do that after this, but it's supposed to be reduced on the second kind of obstruction of a highway.
Oh, well, that was not, let's
Yeah.
go back on that then. Sorry. Bella, then, can you go back and change the heading on this from DWI to obstruction of a highway?
Yes, sir.
Does the state have a motion to waive the count 1 and proceed on count 2, obstruction of a highway?
That is exactly our motion, Your Honor.
Okay, then I am, the range of punishment on obstruction of highway is a Class B misdemeanor. And in that case, it's possible that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand the range of punishment on the obstruction case?
Yes, Your Honor.
So went through the waiver stuff. So then, to that offense then of obstruction of highway, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty?
No contest.
Okay. You understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty anyway.
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody forced you to do this?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you? Besides that, apart from that, if someone promises something in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you doing this of your own free will? Are you doing this freely and voluntarily, sir?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can the state please recite the plea bargain for me?
Yes, Your Honor. With the plea to obstruction, the offer is $0 fine plus court costs, 40 days, Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money running concurrently. He has 24 days.
I'm going to judge and satisfy this case. Do you agree to this plea bargain, Mr. Castillo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Solis?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Solis, the court having heard you plead no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I filed the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 40 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. 1 minute, please. Do you know, Mr. Castillo, if this is the only case holding your client?
I think here it is, Your Honor.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today, okay?
All right,
Good luck
sir.
to you.
All
Show
right,
the
thank you.
deputies that we're finishing the case. Mr. Castillo, if you don't have anything else with me, then you
I
can-
do, Your Honor. I have one more.
Then hold on and stick around there. All right.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, sir.
Okay, who do I have next then, Debbie?
That's Rodriguez. That's Attorney Castillo's other client at the bottom of page 3.
Okay, Braulio Rodriguez.
Yes.
Sure.
Mr. Rodriguez, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down, sir. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see my screen?
I do.
Is your name Braulio Rodriguez?
It is.
Are you the same Braulio Rodriguez with this cause number 2025 CC 002304, who's charged with the offense of terroristic threats?
Yes, sir.
Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bella, can I ask you to correct the cause number on the top?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
All right. Mr. Rodriguez, you're charged with terroristic threats. That's a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
I do.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video, and you signed and your lawyer signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right? Is that right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
I didn't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Did he explain it to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document. 1 minute. Are you a citizen of the United States?
I am, sir. Yes, I am.
Okay. I'm looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it. Your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, Judge, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that?
I do understand that.
So then, to the offense of terroristic threats, how do you plead? Guilty,
No contest.
not guilty, or no contest?
Sorry, Judge. No contest.
No contest. Okay, 1 minute. You understand that on a plea of no contest that the court can still find you guilty anyway.
I understand, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, apart from that, if someone promised you something in order to get you to do this,
No, sir.
are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it? So,
Yes, Your Honor. It is for a $0 fine plus court costs. 50, that is 50 days Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently. He has more than 50 days.
I'm going to judgment satisfy this case. Do you agree with this plea bargain, Mr. Castillo?
Yes, Your Honor.
You agree with this, Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Then, Mr. Rodriguez, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I'll follow the plea bargain, sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 50 days in the Bear County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money run current. The judgment is satisfied. Hold on 1 minute. Ms. Castillo, do you know if this is the only case holding your client?
I think it is, Your Honor.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck to you. Tell the deputies that we're finished with your case. And Mr. Castillo, if you don't have anything else with me, now you can be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it. Have a good day.
Yes, okay. Okay.
Judge, this is Angela Fuentes, page 1.
Judge, I just need to get confirmation that the state is TICing the other trespassing case.
No, I'm
The,
sorry, Mr. Hill. I sent you a chat message indicating that the offer was for both.
Okay, well, we only did plea paperwork for one case. So,
I can put you back in a breakout room, Attorney Hill. with your client? Did you want to speak with the ADA in a breakout room?
Yeah, I actually said, your name on it?
Well, if they're not offering that, that's not gonna be necessary, I guess, but this client is very hard to talk to. We may just have to,
909?
let me try talking to my client one more time.
Joanna.
Okay,
Okay.
why don't we put him in a breakout room with his client?
Okay, Judge.
And Your Honor, if I may, I would like to speak with Attorney Priest in that same breakout room, because I do have an offer for his case.
Attorney
Okay.
Priest just logged off. He told me to recall it for tomorrow.
Okay, I'll just save the offer.
Okay.
Okay, and what was the case that he just, that's gonna get reset for tomorrow, the preset, please?
Luis Garcia, page 1.
Please, gotta see, okay. Reset for tomorrow. Okay, and Mr. Hill wants to talk to his client again if he can. Miss Trish is gonna talk to who now?
I don't need to speak to anyone anymore.
Okay,
Thank you,
Attorney,
Judge. I'm sorry about that.
okay.
Attorney Hill, can you please move to breakout room 1? Move back to there.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am, what's the case number? Go double check.
Judge, on
Yep.
Fuentes, do you have any paperwork on her?
I do.
Do you
I
have,
have paperwork on my screen showing for 2066.
you don't have the 9859?
I do not.
Okay, because I'm showing they signed the 9859 also.
All I have on my screen is the 2066. And I only have one set of paperwork. Regardless of the number, there's only one set of paperwork.
Okay, so I'm gonna send you this second set because I'm showing they're signed.
Right.
Okay, you sent me a reminder, but it's still from the same number. Do I need to open these up to make sure that they match?
Okay, well yeah, I sent him paperwork on both with the different case numbers. I guess he changed them. Okay, never mind, Judge.
Well, the reminder you sent me has the case number of ending in 2066. Okay. Criminal trespass. So
Okay.
I'm going to trash the reminder that you sent me because it's this. Well, let me go back and double check, but
San Antonio, Texas.
yeah, both paperworks are the same same number, 2066. So I'm going to trash the reminder. I'll keep the other one. But that's all I have in terms of paperwork for Fuentes. So we have Joanne Eagle working on one case. Mr. Hill is still talking to Ms. Fuentes. What about Irina Costa? She's got 2 cases on my docket. Is she coming in?
I was gonna check with Miss Trish on that. She told me to send her cases back, but she didn't give me. I don't know if it's no agreement or no offer or Miss Trish.
Who's her client?
She has 2. One of them is named Gasser, Gassser.
Oh, yes, I spoke with her in a breakout room and she indicated that neither client would accept the offer and she would like to send them back to court.
Okay, so no agreement on Gasser and no agreement on Kastner, right?
Yeah. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I'll scratch those off my paper docket.
Which ones were those?
Who's speaking?
This is Alex, your COO.
Okay, Alex, my COO. Gassner was sent back, no agreement on page 2. Gasser, I'm sorry. Kastner
Yes,
was
sir.
sent back, no agreement as well.
Okay.
Attorney Hill, do you need the other set of paperwork or?
Well, you know what? It might be easier for me to do this plea in court because she's very difficult to talk to and she's not understanding what I'm saying with the whole new paperwork thing. So
we're gonna send it back, no agreement?
well, I don't know if there's an agreement or not, Judge. She was under the impression one of the trespassing cases would get TIC. So I'm kind of starting over with her.
I apologize for that.
So send back to court, or what do you want me to do with it?
Yeah, Judge, just send back to court and I'll arrange with the court to bring her in to plea out in court.
Okay. All right, and that is on
Angela Fuentes.
Fuentes, okay. Sent to court. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Hill. If that's all you have with me, you can be excused.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So we have Ms. Eagle working on Mr. Flores. What about Elizabeth Newbold? That is Hillary Kustoff.
Yeah, Judge, I'm trying to get in contact with them. No one's responding. I'm just.
And if you can't get a hold of her, if you can reappoint, fine. If not, then we'll just have.
On that Noble, Debbie, I forward you the plea offer if you decide to reappoint.
Okay, thank you, Valverde. Sorry, I was trying to I'm emailing attorney.
Oh, no worries.
Ms. Headland is here a little early for the bond docket, but since we still have one case conferring, do we have a pretrial here? Debbie?
Judge, I'm sorry, we have an inmate here giving us a little problem. One moment, please.
Okay.
Espérate, canales.
Ay. Oh, there's always something. Debbie,
Okay,
what's going on?
Judge, pretrial will be logging on in a few minutes.
Okay, who's the prisoner? Is it a bond prisoner or?
Yeah, no, it's the Fuentes lady, Attorney Hill's client.
Okay, well, she's sent back anyway, so.
And
Right.
we did have one on the bond also, Facio, number 4.
Uh-huh.
Disruptive. We had to send him back also.
Okay. Okay.
Attorney Equal is here on the bonds, number 14.
As well, well, she has one on
Sanchez.
plea. She's
Yeah.
working on one for the plea. Oh, no, you're talking about Engelke, not Equal.
Engelke. I'm sorry. Engelke. Yeah. He's here
Okay.
on one of the bond.
Okay, when Mr. Engelke, we'll try and get you out of here as fast as we can.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, Judge, pretrial is here.
Okay, Monica. We still have a plea ready, waiting to go, confirming, but and while they're doing that, can I go over the docket with you, the bond docket? Monica?
Margie.
Oh, it's I'm sorry, Margie. I was using the wrong name. I was saying Monica. No wonder. Margie.
Good morning.
Good morning. I I miscalled you a name. Sorry. Would you like to become a Monica? Or you like being a Margie? Okay. Margie, I'm looking at the docket, the bond docket. Number 1 listed on my docket is Bush.
Yes.
Is that what you have?
Yes.
Okay. Is number 1 going to be here?
Judge 1, 2, and 3 should be there.
Okay. 4 was sent back for being disruptive.
Correct.
All right. 5.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 should be there.
I'm sorry. 5, 6, 7. You skipped 8. What happened to 8?
Yes, 8, 9, and 10 should be there.
Okay. What about 11?
Number 11 is going to be reset for tomorrow.
That. 12.
12 should be there.
13.
13 was released.
Released on bond, I guess. Okay.
Correct. Yes, Judge.
All right. And 14?
14, 15, 16, and 17 should be there.
Okay. I'd like to take us off of YouTube right now. It doesn't look like Miss Equal is close to being ready. Debbie, can you tell if she's close to being ready?
No, Your Honor, I'm sorry. I had her mute herself real quick because I thought you were going to do the bonds, but if I can just say right quick, Gerald number 6 and 8 are not here.
Okay, number 6 is not here.
And
Number 8.
8, yeah.
Okay, not here.
No, I won't reapply. Thank you so much.
Okay.
And then that attorney is still in the middle of signing, or the client is still in the middle of signing the documents with her.
Okay. So I'm going to take us off of live stream